McLaren has unveiled the new MCL6 GT concept, previewing an exclusive production supercar scheduled to arrive in 2028. Inspired by Bruce McLaren's original M6 GT, the McLaren MTL6 GT combines lightweight carbon fiber construction, V8 power, and a renewed focus on analog driver engagement. The headline feature is an authentic manual transmission, making the MTL6 GT the first McLaren to offer a true manual gearbox since the legendary McLaren F1 debuted in 1992. The V8-powered drivetrain sends power exclusively to the rear wheels, although McLaren has not yet announced horsepower, acceleration, or top speed figures. The MCL6 GT design takes direct inspiration from the M6 GT developed by Bruce McLaren in the late 1960s. Its low, wide proportions, flowing surfaces, and cam-style rear reinterpret the appearance of McLaren's early racing prototypes, while details including the distinctive rear racing loop lighting signature provide additional links to the historic model. McLaren has engineered the concept around a more mechanical driving experience. Hydraulic steering, tactile switchgear, machined aluminium controls, and visible mechanical components are designed to strengthen the connection between driver and car. Even the gear lever has been developed specifically around shift feel and throw, with a three-dimensional Speedy Kiwi emblem integrated into the upright gear knob. Lightweight construction remains central to the new supercar. McLaren has equipped the MTL6 GT with a full carbon fiber monocoque and carbon fiber bodywork, continuing a philosophy that has defined the company's road cars since the F1. The interior mixes exposed carbon fiber with heritage-inspired detailing and modern digital instrumentation. McLaren has confirmed that a production version will arrive in 2028, establishing a new category of highly exclusive supercars positioned beyond the company's core model portfolio. Guys, what do you think about the new hypercar? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks.